everyone, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be refurbishing a vintage Louis Vuitton bag. The straps was falling apart, the edging was just in bad shape, the inside of the liner came unglued, as well as the tab that has the logo on it. So there was a lot to be done, and first I tackled the edging on the bag. I took it all apart, expecting the bag to just fall apart on me, but to my surprise, it didn't. For some of you who don't know, the more you have a bag that you always carry around with you, the more it will wear out, and that is what we are here for. We are here to refurbish those types of goods so that they last you a lot longer, even shoes and boots that you love. After taking apart the whole edging, I glued on a new edging starting from the inside of the bag how it was originally. Thankfully, not all of the edging came apart, it was just the main one, so after that was all glued, I stitched it all around to secure it. Then it was time to tackle the straps. The rubber edging was worn out, as well as a piece of the handle where you usually hold the bag was worn out as well, to the point where the stitching came undone, which again is normal if you have a bag you use all the time. So I glued that area back up and stitched it, as well as gave it a few coats of edge dressing, which gave it a smooth finish. I also glued the little tab with the logo and gave that a small layer of edging and glued the inside of the liner back down. After it was all put back together, I gave it a light coat of conditioner to get some moisture back into the bag, and then I did a light coat of Tarago to restore the color back into the bag. Please make sure all of your leather goods are cleaned and conditioned properly because you have to treat leather like human skin. Our skin gets dry and we need lotion, well so does our leather. And do not, and I mean do not use wax, that is not a conditioner. It will ruin your bag if you don't use conditioner before putting the wax on, as well as any kind of cleaner that you use to clean your bag that is not a conditioner, that is used to get dirt and stains out, and then you apply the conditioner. Like I said, treat your leather goods with conditioner. You will definitely thank me later. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.